As we continue to navigate and understand the impacts of the provincial state of emergency on our community, I extend my thanks on behalf of Council to the many volunteers, businesses, and citizens who remain committed to keeping each other safe and connected. We have the power to make a difference on the impact of this global pandemic in our community. Canada's Chief Medical Officer, Dr. Tam, explains that almost 50% of the spread comes from community contacts. We have almost 5,000 people in our community. Knowing that many of our local citizens are snowbirds, we should act as if the virus is local, even though there hasn't been a confirmed case yet. We must remain committed to maintaining social distancing and self-isolation. If you have returned from away, you must self-isolate for 14 days. This means you do not go out for groceries, medications, or appointments. You rely on friends, family, and neighbors to deliver to your doorstep, or you arrange for the delivery of goods from a local business. While in self-isolation, you can go outside for walks, provided you maintain the 6 feet distance from others. If you are symptomatic or awaiting test results, you must be quarantined until the test results come back. Symptomatic individuals can have absolutely no contact with people, including members of their own family. The virus relies on our interactions to spread. When we break the link through social distancing, we block the opportunity for the virus to spread from person to person. We all have an essential role to stop the spread of COVID-19. It is vital we follow the guidelines set out by public health. Stay home unless essential to do otherwise. Connect with others only virtually. Keep 2-meter distance from others when out. Go for a walk. Postpone or cancel even small gatherings. Keep kids away from any group settings, even play dates. And this is especially important for teenagers. Stay away from long-term care or other care settings. These guidelines and updates from public health can be found at espanola.ca under COVID-19 info. Throughout this pandemic, Council and staff will be working to minimize the financial burden and plan for an economic recovery to the extent possible. If you are able to, continue to pay your bills. If you are unable to pay at this time, the interest that would normally be calculated on the outstanding balances on tax, water, and sewer accounts for the months of March and April will be waived. To end on a positive note, I want to give a high five to our community members who encourage families to put teddy bears, hearts, and decorated Easter eggs in home windows for families to look out while walking or driving. This is a clever and creative way to maintain a sense of our community and celebration in these restrictive times. I'll be putting my teddy bear back in the window when I get home. Thank you to the people that are sewing masks for distribution. Thank you to everyone who is calling and texting their friends and neighbors to check up on them. We are strong if we remain united and committed to caring for each other as a community. For the next couple of weeks, the most crucial thing to do is stay home. We ask that you maintain your diligence and dedication to keeping our community safe. We can do this. We need to do this together. Thank you.